everybody, the GV80 Coupe. Now this thing literally just showed up at our dealership this morning. I saw the pictures posted and I said, hey, I gotta run over there. I gotta make a video to show you guys. And this thing is just a stunner. This color is called Mono Red. Absolutely beautiful. Really fits the look of this car. It fits the vibe perfectly. A couple of the differences you're going to see compared to a standard GV80. First one is going to be the grille. I do really like the grills on Genesis. It's big, it's imposing. It's here to make a statement, and it does a great job of that. But the Coupe gets a little special addition to the grille. You get all these little kind of pokey spikes that stick through. Really add some three-dimensionality to it. Looks really, really good. And then you'll also notice you have these four little indents in the bumper just to make it look like air intakes, make it look like it's more of a performance vehicle, which this one definitely is with its 375 horsepower. You also get big air intakes down at the bottom there. You got your traditional 2-bar headlight design. A lot of these styling cues from the regular GV80 are still going to be here. It's just really that roof shape that's a little bit different, but they wanted to make it feel like a different car inside and out, front to back. So let's take a look at the back side. I'll show you that. Alrighty, the back side of the car, the party side. Now, I absolutely love the look of this car. It looks like it was made to be a coupe from the start. They did such a good job kind of molding a regular SUV into this coupe shape. I love the chrome strip that runs along the bottom of the car too, kind of elongates the design a little bit. The roof spoiler is super cool. You got these two kind of fins that come up off the roof there, and then you have this integrated lip spoiler into the deck lid. Just looks fantastic. You still get a ton of trunk space as well. There's a little button right in this chrome strip underneath that lip spoiler there. It's all power operated, of course. This is a very luxurious vehicle after all. You still get a ton of room in here, and you even get a Alcantara parcel shelf and kind of privacy deck to kind of close off and make sure people don't see into the trunk. Just super, super nice. All of the fit and finish is fantastic. They really put a lot of time and effort into here. And you also have power folding second row seats as well, which is super, super cool. You got a button here that'll just close the trunk for you. You also have one where you hit the button, it closes and locks the car. So if you got groceries in your hand, you can just walk away right away. But yeah, just super, super nice vehicle. I am so impressed with the job that these Genesis engineers did to turn a regular SUV into this coupe shape. It is beautiful. Now for the cherry on top, let's hop inside. How's this for an interior, everybody? This color is called Sevilla Red. It is just gorgeous. I am a sucker for red interiors. I've had them in my last 2 cars, and this might be my favorite red color I've ever seen. With all the quilting in here and everything, it feels like you're in a Bentley. If you watched my previous GV80 video, I compared it against a Bentayga. I said it's a Bentayga for half the price, and sitting in this one, I feel the exact same way. It is just beautiful in here. All of the fit and finish and everything is just gorgeous. I absolutely love it. There's not too many differences between this and a standard 2025 GV80. The only real difference that I can see is going to be with the flat bottom steering wheel here, which is beautiful, looks awesome, with all these kind of matte chrome accents on it too. You get all the stitching on the inner bezel there. Just looks absolutely fantastic in here. With the 2025s, you get the new kind of flat screen dash panel layout here, which looks really, really nice, really high quality graphics on here. Now, I'm not going to do a full driving test on this car in this video because I want to leave the miles for the owner of this car. I'm sure this car will be sold very, very quickly. So it deserves to be in the showroom. It deserves to be on the scene for everybody, but I want to just make a quick walk around video for you. But it is just absolutely beautiful in here. And this car is just incredible. I absolutely love it. Again, if you haven't driven a Genesis, go drive one. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day.